Hello everyone, hope have a good day. Welcome to a new lecture. Today's lecture topic is Agamemnon, written by Aeschylus. Aeschylus is a Greek classic tragedian. He's a tragedy writer. Okay, there are so many classic tragedy writers. Among them, Aeschylus, Euripides, Sophocles, etc. are prominent. Okay, so today's lecture is about Agamemnon. Agamemnon starts with a flashback on. Actually, there is a background, a large background behind the play. When the watchman who was on a hill and keep watching, is there any beacon flashes which indicates the Troy has fallen down. Actually, a lot of watchmen are appointed by Clytemnestra to get the news early that the Troy has fallen down. When the watchman saw that the beacon flashes, then he shouts that the Troy has fallen down, and he starts to run to Clytemnestra to give the news that the Troy has fallen down. Then the chorus appears here and starts to describe behind the scene. Behind the scene means the story of elopement of Paris and Helen and the sacrifice or the sacrificial occasion of Iphigenia by Agamemnon. Okay, and the chorus also describes the occasion that Agamemnon had sacrificed her own daughter Iphigenia to get the favorable wind from Artemis. Next, the queen appears here and the chorus asks about her daughter Iphigenia, but the queen ignores and tells that the Troy has fallen down and it's a good news. Then the chorus replied, that's actually a good news, and thank to God if the news becomes true. Then a herald comes to the queen Clytemnestra and confirms the news that the Troy has fallen down. Okay, after giving the news to Clytemnestra, he returns back and Clytemnestra stops him, and then Clytemnestra sends back the herald to tell her husband that come softly to the palace. When the herald is going back to Agamemnon, the chorus asks him that what is the news about Menelaus. Then the herald replies that a terrible storm took over all of our ships and many of our soldiers and armies has fallen down on the sea, and there is no news of Menelaus. Maybe he had gone down with those armies. Then the chorus starts to sing a song of the destructive beauty of Helen. During this time, Agamemnon appears and Clytemnestra welcomes him cordially, and also he has seen that there is a slave or concubine whose name is Cassandra and who was Paris' sister. Clytemnestra also welcomes him and tells Agamemnon to working over the red carpet which was lying on the road or on the path to enter into the palace. But Agamemnon denies to work on the red carpet because the honor is not to his own. This is the honor of God. So he cannot take over the honor of God to himself. But for the instigating of Clytemnestra to Agamemnon, he had to work on the red carpet. And at the moment, Cassandra predicts that there will be a flow of bird in the palace. The king will be died and also she will be died. But no one believes her because there was no notion such kind of activities or such kind of killing incidents. After some time, the chorus heard news of shouting of pain, which was maybe from Agamemnon, and the door opens and Clytemnestra comes out with her lover, with her beloved Aeschylus, and tells that he has taken down the revenge of killing her daughter Iphigenia, and then he go out with his beloved from this place. So this is the short summary of Agamemnon. Hope you have understood very well. So have a good day till the next lecture. Thank you very much.